Prepárate para ver un horror. Hi, today is the 31st day of the lockdown. The entire world is already starting to discuss about whether to open their economies or not. All of this while in most countries the virus hasn't reached the peak yet. So we are going to be facing the very real possibility of second waves of contagion. Big political infighting everywhere in Spain is a real mess at the moment. My father is in critical condition. Yesterday the doctors warned me that he may not make it through the night. I'm still waiting for the doctors to call me. At this moment I don't know if I have a father or not. But anyway, our video of the day. Today I'm coming back with a great story, a story that made everyone so happy because it started so badly and it ended so well. Story of Honey. Honey was rescued in the south of the country. We drove all day to go pick it up. There was a dog that had terrible injuries on one of her legs and she was in a horrific condition. That leg, she was gonna lose it or we might, try to save it. Anyway, this is the video of Honey's rescue. Just have a look, it's quite moving. Aquí en el coche. Prepárate para ver un horror. Ya te lo imaginas, ¿no?
El dolor.
Tiene el dedo colgando. It took us months to get that leg up to speed. Daily treatments, it was really, really complicated, but Honey was so great. She was like a superstar in the hospital. She made so many friends, everyone loved her. Here are some images of her life at the hospital during this time. And then the day of her trip arrived. She was adopted in a beautiful home in Salamanca, but before going home, she needed to have a good bath and a spa session, a good haircut. And she was so happy. Just have a look. Honey is a Portuguese water dog. It's a water dog and she loved her spa. Just have a look. And then Honey went home. And I tell you, when she met her family, it was just beautiful.
Venga, vámonos. Vamos. Hasta luego. Chao. Oh.
Since then, we've seen Honey many times. She had to go back to the hospital for a minor surgery. We had to amputate one of her toes, and then we have seen her several times because she lives close to Madrid, and sometimes we are there traveling, so we always stop and meet her and see her and the family. They are lovely people.
¿Qué tal? Mírala.
Wonderful friends. Veronica, her boyfriend, the entire family. They're really wonderful people. Here are some images of some pictures they have been sending us lately. And as you can see, she is the center of the family. Honey is everywhere. Everyone knows her in Salamanca, the city where she lives, and she has a beautiful life. So all of you who help save her, it was money well spent. So guys, thank you very much once again for watching our videos. This is a very difficult moment for us and for every charity. We are depending on your donations and your support, and we understand that this is a moment of uncertainty, but I'm just here to tell you every day that this is important, that you have been involved for years now. It's a very crucial time for us. So please, if you love what we do, if you like our videos, if you appreciate the incredible amount of work that goes behind each one of these videos, the amount of hopes, the amount of efforts by the vets, the trips, the efforts, everything. If you appreciate all of this, please continue supporting us. There's a PayPal link at the bottom of this video. Help us stay alive, help us continue saving lives. And if you would like to join us for the long term, please join us on Patreon. Thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'll tell you more about my dad tomorrow. Take care.
Cuando vengo de trabajar, empieza a saltar para que la coja y cuando la cojo hace... ¡Oh!